I'm Megan.
And I'm Krista.
We're two nerds getting our PhDs in chemistry, and we started this channel to explain the science behind things that you see every day.
So please subscribe, like, and check out our channel. Thanks for joining us.
In today's episode, we're talking about the science of slime.
Yeah, this stuff. Slime is actually really popular. Hashtag slime has over 11.2 million posts on Instagram right now. So people love the way it moves and wiggles, and even the way it smells. Mine smells like oranges.
Fruity.
My little sister actually made the slime and donated it to us so kindly. She herself has an Instagram account where she shows you how to make slime. She also has an Etsy, so check her out at alienzslimez. The stuff will be in the description below if you really want to check it out. It's awesome.
Woo-woo. So not only will we be talking about the science of how slime is actually made, we'll also help you make your slime perfect. And we're going to be talking about some slime-related safety concerns as well.
Yes, so stay tuned at the end though, because we're actually going to show you how to make edible slime from chia seeds. Yum yum.
Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid, but let's slow down a little bit. And stay tuned for a cool demo after we explain what a non-Newtonian fluid actually is.
You might have heard of Sir Isaac Newton. Newton was one of the most important scientists ever, and he explained a lot of things about the natural world.
Megan, is that the best picture we have?
Yeah, trust me, that's what he looked like.
Oh, okay.
One of the things he was really interested in is fluids. Newton said that a fluid's thickness or viscosity is determined by temperature. Liquids that obey this rule, like water or mineral oil, are called Newtonian fluids. Most of the liquids we interact with are Newtonian fluids. But slime changes viscosity in response to other influences, like how much you pull it. This makes slime a non-Newtonian fluid. Other examples include honey and ketchup.
And we're going to play with another non-Newtonian fluid right now.
We mix cornstarch and water together to get this gooey stuff.
Ooh, we gotta go. Alright, all you really need are cornstarch and water, and then you mix them together to some certain degree. We didn't really know, we just kind of kept mixing until we got like this mushy consistency, and then you can pour it, and it doesn't really pour like a normal liquid, and if you push it slowly, your finger will go all the way in. But if you stab it real fast, it's hard. So you can pick it up and let it ooze out or squish it.
So now that we've gone over non-Newtonian fluids, we're going to get a little deeper into the science and the chemistry of slime. So slime is a non-Newtonian fluid, but it's also something else.
Something else?
Yep, one of Krista's favorite things, a polymer.
Woo, polymers! I work with polymers all the time in the lab, but actually so do you, because anything plastic is a polymer, your clothes are made of polymers like nylon, that's a polymer. And a polymer is basically something that's just a chain of repeating units. And poly means many, and mer, it means unit, so many units. But now that I think about it, DNA is also a polymer, which means we're all made of polymers.
Woo, polymers!
Yeah! Slime is just a polymer with cross links in it, and it looks sort of like this. These strings represent polymers, which is what Elmer's glue is made of. The reason you need glue is because it contains polyvinyl alcohol, these strings here. Now it sounds complicated, but this stuff is non-toxic and safe to handle with your hands. When you add stuff like soap or contact solution, which contains boric acid, you're adding a crosslinker. This is what makes your glue turn into slime. The glue is a liquid and is runny, but once you cross-link it or attach chains together, they become less watery and form into your lovely slime.
So, slime is a non-Newtonian fluid and a polymer. Now that you understand these things, it's going to be really helpful when you're trying to make your slime perfect.
Yeah, some of you actually may have noticed that depending on the amount of soap or contact solution you add, which both have boric acid in it, it can really change the properties of your slime.
If you don't add very much boric acid, you can end up with slime that's wet, kind of sticky, because you're not cross-linking your polymer together very much at all. But if you put too much boric acid in there and you over cross-link your polymers, your slime can become crumbly or super bouncy and brittle. If you hit a middle spot there, you can have perfect slime and sweet satisfaction.
Yeah.
And now we're going to show you how to make this 100% safe, edible chia seed slime. So if you have any safety concerns, this recipe is for you. We use chia seeds, cornstarch, and water.
We mix the chia seeds and water together, and eventually it becomes this goopy mess. Once it's like that, we add some cornstarch and mix it together until it starts to get really, really, really thick. Eventually, it'll have the same consistency that you're used to with typical slime that you make out of glue and soap or a contact solution. And so some of you might be concerned about using boric acid because it might irritate your skin. While that is normal, it is non-toxic. However, if you want something that you're okay with your kids using their hands to touch and play with, this is the way to go.
The recipe that we used is included below. And with that, we want to thank you for joining us today on Explained by Nerds. Please subscribe and like, and if you have any ideas for other things that you want us to talk about, please comment them below. So, thank you so much for joining us.
Nerds out!